I'm Ashna from Iraq, from Kurdistan. So I would like to say to the NATO staff, actually they are the best staff, and we are so thankful for what they provided in this course, in this program. So actually, I think they appreciate a huge clap. So let's clap together for them. And I am teaching our migrant educational community, so today we brought an appreciation for them, such as a great team. So we are so thankful for them, and I would like to present this appreciation, and we would like to take a photo with all of the members in the NATO staff. So please, thanks so much.